One popular variation on high drive service bodies is a rear roller drawer. Now these go almost the full length of the tray. They're great additional space for brooms, shovels, safety bollards, these sorts of things. They carry up to a maximum of 80 kilos. They are lockable. The key lock is here on the latch, which is super handy, particularly when you've got a tool module or a U module and you don't have a lot of secure lockable space, particularly for long items. So they're a great handy way of making sure you've got those extra tools with you day in, day out to save you time on the job. Now, one safety feature which is really important that you get on a high drive rear roller drawer that you don't on a number of other brands. Let's say you're parked on a slope and you open this up, and it can be very easy if it's full of gear for it to be quite heavy. If you're parked on a slope, this could slide out and hit you, hit somebody else, or hit the vehicle that you're parked in front of. Now, the great safety feature is that there's actually a latch. Around about every 400 to 500, depending on the length of your tray, there will be preset holes that will actually stop it rolling out all the way. So it's a great passive safety feature. Your OH&S person is going to love it. So feel free to book an appointment with a high drive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be keen to learn about your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come. Thank you.